Hello everyone. Example is state whether the function is even or odd. If f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x plus sin x, and this sum is appeared in winter 2023 for 2 marks. To solve this sum, solution for this: since we know that if f of x is given function, then replace x by minus x in f of x and check f of minus x is equal to what. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then f of x is called as odd function. For example, if power of x is an odd number, then x to the power odd number is always odd function. As well as sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, and tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Hence, sin x and tan x are also odd functions. And second condition, if f of minus x is equal to plus f of x, then function is said to be even function. And for this, examples are: if power of x is an even number, then x to the power even number is even function, as well as cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Hence, cos x is also even function. Here, given that f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x plus sin x, if we observe each term, x cube power is odd number, so x cube is odd function. 4x second term, x is also odd function, and third term sin x is also odd function. But here we have to check mathematically. Hence, f of minus x is equal to minus of x its cube plus 4 into minus x plus sine of minus x. Here, minus of a cube is given by minus a cube, and sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Using these substitutions, f of minus x is given by f of minus x is equal to minus x cube plus 4 into minus x, that is minus 4x, plus sine of minus x is minus sine x, and which is equal to, taking minus sign common, into bracket remaining x cube plus 4x plus sine x. But you know this bracket is nothing but given function f of x. Hence we can write this is equal to minus of f of x. And here we have proved f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, which is condition of odd function. Hence, given function is said to be odd function. And this is the answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.